Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of knife sharpening with what I consider to be the best whetstone for global knives available in the market. The Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone. Now, what makes this whetstone stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about quality. Not all sharpening stones are created equal, and Sharp Pebble knows that. They import and source premium quality materials for their whetstones, ensuring a superior cutting performance. But it's not just about the stone itself. The Sharp Pebble Knife Sharpening Kit comes with everything you need for a seamless sharpening experience. You get a double-sided whetstone with 1/6000 grit, a real handcrafted bamboo base for stability, a knife sharpening angle guide for precision, and even a detailed e-book packed with tips and tricks for sharpening at every skill level. Safety is also a top priority with this kit. The rubber base ensures that the stone stays in place while you sharpen, reducing the risk of accidents. Plus, the angle guide helps you maintain the correct angle for optimal sharpening results, giving you peace of mind every time you use it. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the Sharp Pebble whetstone, praising its sharpness, sturdiness, and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, this whetstone is sure to elevate your cooking game. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for the best whetstone for global knives, look no further than the Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy sharpening!